A real mentor is a person who identifies the real talent within you, the abilities in you that you know about yourselves, and is a person who helps you to nurture or to improve your abilities and your potentials. Yes, Dr. Ravi Narayan Chakrakodi, Professor, Regional Institute of English, South India, is such a person, a great mentor. He is very approachable, and on behalf of all the participants of this 30-day online CLT program, I would like to thank Dr. C. Ravi Narayan Chakrakodi for all his dedicated hard work and effort to train us. Thank you so much, sir.
Beyond being a mentor, the constructive advices he has given, as well as the practical lessons he has shared in his class, have encouraged us to involve and learn well in this course. His guidance and support have been instrumental in helping us develop our professional skills, and for that, forever we are grateful to him. He is none other than our beloved course coordinator, Dr. Hitesh C. Bhakat, Professor, Regional Institute of English, South India. And on behalf of all the participants of this training program, I would like to thank him. Thank you very much, sir.
Hello everyone. I would say, in a way, a pandemic is rolling all over the world now, and it constantly asking us to keep on distancing. Fortunately, this course, CELT, conducted by the RIESI Bangalore, paved a way for us to come closer, the teachers of South Indian states, to be more closer, right? Yes, and I'm very, very delightful for this moment to convey, to express our gratitude to one of the eminent faculties of RIESI Bangalore. That is none other than, we prefer to call her the Nightingale of RIESI Bangalore. Yes, that is none other than Dr. Pooja Giri ma'am. On behalf of the entire participants of this course, and particularly on behalf of the teachers of Lakshadweep, I offer you this flower as a token of our love, respect and gratitude. Stay safe, stay healthy and live long. Thank you.
I would like to thank a gentleman who has got a sound vocabulary, an impressive accent, flawless delivery and the efficiency in controlling the session with a comment. It is none other than Dr. Gururaj, Regional Institute of English, South India. I am extremely thankful to him for teaching, rather I would say preaching us the importance of communication by explaining the basic concept in a simple and possible ways. On behalf of all the participants and the organizing team, I take the privilege to extend our heartful thanks to him. Thank you very much, sir. Nandri.
Every beginning has its end. Every end has a new hopes. As a special mention to Miss Ujma Rahil, lecturer RIE, South India, Bangalore, for stimulating us and sharing a huge knowledge of listening and speaking activities. With a deep sense of appreciation, I heartily thankful to you on the behalf of CELT participant. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for inspiring. Thank you very much.
All of us know very well, grammar is an essential part of every language. It is not a very easy job to teach the grammar within a short period through the online platform. It can be done only by the great and experienced teachers. Can you guess the experienced teacher's name? Yes. Our first grammar initiator of this program, Mr. Suman Padi, who is a lecturer and faculty of RIESI Bangalore. Then our beloved chief guest, who is a sincere person, honest person, talented person, great person, experienced person who is a senior lecturer of College of Education in Mangalore, Dr. H. Kumarasamy. We are very impressed by your way of teaching, voice intonation and by your face expression while teaching the grammar session in the entire program. We would like to convey our hearty thanks to both of you by giving this small bouquet. Please take it, sir. This is for you. Thank you so much.
Madam Padmasri is a very wonderful personality who was taking sections for us, especially regarding oral skills and written skills. She focused mainly on written skills, how to frame sentences, the sub skills of writing, and also about how to draft a good story, which was very informative. She even taught many crucial daily life skills like paragraph writing, sentence constructions, punctuations, etc. These classes were really beneficial to develop my English speaking and writing skills. On behalf of all the participants of this 30 days online CLT program, I would like to thank Madam Padmasri of Regional Institute of English. Thank you, Madam.
Mrs. Manjula ma'am, who is a librarian at Regional Institute of English, South India, Bangalore, who took us a class on online resources, was really mesmerizing, and other technical staff, namely Raghavendra sir and Hari Prasad sir. And the cooperation we got by these is really unforgettable. Okay, so I would like to thank from all our South Indian participants. A great thanks to Manjula ma'am, Raghavendra sir and all. Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation, sir.
Hello everyone. I would like to thank Dr. Gurumurthy Kasanaran, Director, IT for Change. Dear sir, you are truly a great inspiration for us. On behalf of all teacher participants of 30 days CELT online training, accept our heartfelt gratitude for your time, support and patience in teaching the ideas of creation hypothesis and audio resource training. I would extend my sincere gratitude and thanks to your team, Mr. Anand, Mr. Rakesh, Mr. Kishore, Mr. Harish, for excellent learning experience in Audacity training program. It was really an amazing learning experience for us. Thank you once again, sir, for your encouragement, guidance, for your support, and more than that, for being a mentor to us. Thank you, sir.